They asked me what kind of car I had. I told them. They said, what kind of motor and all that? And they said, oh crap, you're putting a 2JZ in a Tacoma? Are you crazy? And I told them I was building it. And then they asked me, are you crazy? Again. So,
MoeTheDriver.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's been a little while. My house was getting painted. You know, I got new paint on the walls and fancy stuff. So I didn't really have time to record a video while the painters were in here going crazy with their little brushes and rollers and sprayers and everything else, man. I had to stay in a hotel. Everyone's asking me, what kind of wiring harness am I gonna use, or am I gonna build my own? Well, guess what? I'm not in the wiring business, so I'm not gonna build a wiring harness. I just went ahead and bought some wiring harnesses to take care of that problem. I'm gonna show them to you right now and explain exactly why I bought them, where I got them from, and how you can have them too. What we have here is the Haltech Elite 2000-2500 terminated engine harness, and this right here will take care of all of my engine needs. If you see, it has all of the harnesses pre-terminated, and there's nothing I have to do except for unplug it, inspect it to make sure it has everything it's supposed to have for my application, and then plug it in. Very simple. I mean, you can't beat this, dude. I'll tell you what, this makes it so easy. I mean, there's not much you have to do other than just plug it in and screw this to the wall. Of course, you know, figure all that out when I get to it, but that's the way to go. And hold on, we got a bonus. This right here, this is your ignition harness. So Elite 2000-2500 engine harness. I mean, come on, man. Can it get much easier than this? IGN 1A, I mean, can it get much easier than this, man? If you want to let it fly and you don't want to take the time, you buy this. This is how you get it. So I actually got these from Haltech. You can get them from other places. I know that there are some third-party vendors out there where you can get this stuff, but I got it straight from Haltech, man. I called them on the phone and I said, you know what? I'm trying to go fast. And they asked me what kind of car I had. I told them. They said, what kind of motor and all that? And they said, oh crap, you're putting a 2JZ in a Tacoma? Are you crazy? And I told them I was building it. And then they asked me, are you crazy? Again. So I guess you can't put a 2JZ motor in a Tacoma or else people think you're crazy. Maybe I am. I've seen other people do it. It's pretty fast ones on YouTube. Pretty fast ones in the Super Truck group as well. But hey man, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. And you know, we're not gonna spend too much time here today. I'm gonna show you guys some other videos coming up. Stay tuned. We're about to roll, baby.